Welcome to the Bush maintenance video. This video will show you how to perform cleaning and vane change in Seco dry running rotary vane vacuum pumps. We will demonstrate on a Seco SV1040C. We need Bush genuine vanes and spare parts. And of course we need some tools. Hexagon socket 5mm, hexagon wrench 10mm, slotted screwdriver large, compressed air gun, vacuum gauge. To guarantee a long life and an efficient operation of your vacuum pump, we recommend our globally available Bush service. We can do the whole maintenance and overhaul for you at competitive rates through maintenance contracts or individual service calls. This includes pressure and leak check, vane check, and a test run to factory standard. Before we begin, we ensure a safe working environment and check if the vacuum pump is shut off. First, we remove the housing. We remove the filter cover and gasket. And we release the cylinder cover. Now we can remove the vanes and clean the compression chamber. The vanes have to be disposed of properly. Finally, we can install the new vanes. Pay attention during insertion. There is an article number on one side of each vane. During insertion, this side must face inwards towards the center of the rotor. The opposite, rounded side should face outwards towards the cylinder. Then we remount the cylinder cover. The next step is cleaning. So we can clean the fan cover and the cooling fins. We also remove the silencer and replace the felt washer. Afterwards, we clean and remount the silencer. Then we change the filter. The Seco SV series has one filter, whereas the Seco SD series has two. Then we use the new flat washers for the screws. We install the new gasket and remount the filter cover. Finally, we install the housing. We can now start the vacuum pump again. We measure ultimate pressure. Get your Bush Genuine Service Kit now. Everything you need for an easy vane change and long lifetime of your vacuum pump. Contact us via bushvacuum.com. A test run to factory standard completes the maintenance. This should only be performed by a Bush specialist. Or let us do the whole maintenance. Why wait? Get a quote now for our Bush quality service.